It's always interesting to go to a different country because you know the moment you cross the border things are going to be different, even if things are really subtle and small.
Transitioning from Malawi to Zambia, it really felt like we were starting the reintegration process. The road changed completely from potholed and rough to silky smooth.
It was beautiful with all these views that we got from the rolling hills in the Zambian highlands, with all the elephant grass, trees, the mountains in the background.
In Zambia, the miles per stage jumped up. The stages were shorter in Ethiopia and Kenya, but the climbing was brutal. In Zambia, the kilometres went up, but the overall effort pretty much stayed the same, which is really tough. After the midpoint in the tour, it starts to get a bit hard. Body starts to fall apart, the bike starts to fall apart, the tent starts to fall apart. It was a real mental test.
The other thing I really enjoyed was the bike donation. When you join up for a trip with TDA, your registration fee goes towards a charity that donates bikes all the way through Africa.
You actually got to speak to the recipients, so to see how a bike can be given to someone and fundamentally change their life, that was pretty special.
I was stunned the first moments when I stopped into the park and looked at the falls. It's something that you really can't imagine.
You cannot relay in a photo or words the sheer power of that water going over those falls.